I should make a tool for pulling this off so I can grab these bolts and then turn a screw in to pull this off, but I'll pull lightly and see if it comes off. Don't want to bend up the pulley. Timing cover's off. There's some little stretch in this chain, it looks like. Taking the timing gears off. It's been apart before. You can see somebody mark this ping there, and then they go to, probably can't quite see it. There's a ping in the hole there on the camshaft, because this guy can go quarter turns and then flip it over to get different timing. I've done this before now. This is my second engine, and I'm going to replace the timing gears, so I'm confident in just tearing it apart without worrying about it. But you can see there's a mark here that should line up with another mark on this guy somewhere. There's all kinds of crap down in the oil pan here. I don't think it's metal, but not sure what that is. A lot of stuff in there too. That's not good. Bearing's really worn there. Yeah, I measured the end play. It's got about 9 mils of play on that crankshaft, which is quite a bit, but new thrust bearings, they have the wider ones, should take care of that. Most of these main bearing nuts or bolts were very loose, and I see they have lock washers under them. I think that's a no-no, but I'll have to check again. The other engine had the fold-over locking tabs, and people say those are bad enough for the steel compressing, and that you should just use the Loctite on the threads and nothing else. But I don't think I've ever seen lock washers under the main bearing cap bolts. Okay, there's looks like a part of a 1 on the middle bearing cap that's closer to the generator side of the engine. They also put a ping right there and a matching one down there, just in case I can't find that or I lose the video. Jugs are out. That was no easy task. Had to set it between some blocks and tap them out from the back, and actually a little more than tap, but finally got them out. I'm not sure if they're good. They've got some rust in them, so we'll see.